Welcome to the third video in the Coding Clockstar series. This time we'll learn how to create the ball on the display which responds to the device's tilting. To begin, we have to set the coordinates for the ball when the code runs and before any tilting. We will achieve this by creating two variables, x and y, representing the ball's position on the x and y axis. Let's set the value for both variables to 64 to set the ball in the middle of the screen. Now we have to create another variable named speed. It will dictate the ball's movement velocity. Set its value to 3. Create a function and name it getGyroValues. This function is used to obtain the accelerometer data from the gyroscope. Within this function, we will introduce two new variables, x-axle and y-axle, which symbolize the ball's acceleration along the x and y axis. Take the new variables and place them within the function we just made. Now go to the gyroscope blocks section and find these two blocks. Drop them like this. This function updates the variables with the current x and y axis acceleration values. Time to make another function. Let's simply name it calculate coordinates. This function is responsible for updating the x and y coordinates of the ball based on the gyroscope's acceleration data. In order to keep the ball within the display, we will constrain the x-coordinate within the range of 0 to 128. Now we'll modify the variable x by adding the acceleration times the speed. Let's do the same for the y-coordinate. Finally, the last function we'll make will help us create the ball on the screen. We'll simply name it drawball. With this function, we will set the display color to black and draw the green circle with the radius of 6 at the current x and y coordinates. Don't forget the push frame block at the end, otherwise you won't be able to see the ball. To ensure this code runs constantly, take this loop forever block and put the functions we made within it. This loop continues indefinitely, causing the ball to move on the display according to the gyroscope's acceleration data. The ball's position and speed will be updated in real time as the gyroscope provides new acceleration data. Click on the Run button and start tilting Clockstar. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more examples.